the PRF portal. It will automatically default to your district. For demonstration purposes, I've set up a fictitious K-12 district with sample schools called Apple Blossom. Note, if the portal does not default to school year 2026, you'll need to manually switch it using the school year dropdown. You can only modify data for the current year. All other school year collections are locked down and read only. As far as the historical PRF data migration, from the previous system to the new platform is partially complete. Here's how the process has been handled. The recent years, 2017-18 through 22-23, the data management team successfully migrated and validated 6 years of data into the new system. You now have access to longitudinal data that reflects the actual snapshot of the information, with the exception of 2023. Note, the new software vendor did not have the programming set up correctly in 2022-2023 to lock the data. As a result, the system recalculated data based on certain certificates that were issued after July 1st, 2023. Which unlocked the data after the collection. We were working with the vendor to correct this, but unfortunately we ran out of funding before we could resolve it. Despite this, districts can now review and report on historical trends using the validated data from 2017 to 2025. Older years, the 2000 to 2001 through 2016, 2017. These data sets are prepared and ready, but due to time and budget constraints, they have not been migrated or validated into this portal yet. As validation is completed, these historical records will gradually be made available to the districts. Exploring the PRF landing page. As you get familiar with the layout of the PRF landing page, you'll notice that the terminology and components are designed to feel familiar, especially if you worked in the previous PRF platform. If you click on the view requirements, to begin reviewing what your district is expected to submit. Here's how you can understand your district's data requirements. This screen provides a visual overview of the data requirements specific to your district. It helps clarify which menus and collections you'll have access to based on your district type and the data you are required to submit. Let's take a moment to explore this screen. It will help you understand exactly what information you'll need to complete your data submission. An example would be that only public schools and co-ops are required to submit salary information. If you're in a private or tribal school, that field will not appear for you. This tailored view ensures that each district only sees the data entry options relevant to them, and this reduces confusion and streamlines the process. It helps you avoid submitting unnecessary data collections by hiding irrelevant fields. If you navigate and click on Staff Management, the available options should match what you see under View Requirements. If you navigate and click on District Information, again, the options should align with what's shown in the View Requirements. In order to keep you informed, the department will use this blue banner at the top of the district portal to communicate important updates, including planned maintenance, unplanned outages, system enhancements, and other time-sensitive announcements. So be sure to check the banner regularly so you don't miss any critical information.